Greetings from the road. Monday morning here outside of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Got this beautiful all-steel 39 Chevy Custom being passed from a father to a son. Picked this up outside of Portland, Oregon, dropping it off outside of Albuquerque. I'm parked on an incline, heading up. I'm letting gravity do the work. I'm sitting here with a remote-controlled winch. See how easy that is? No opening and closing the door, no risking hitting the door on the side of the trailer, no risking having your foot slip off the brake or the clutch on a manual and driving somewhere where you don't want to go. Use gravity to your advantage to load and unload. Park on an incline, load, unload. It's very simple. If you need direct enclosed transport from pickup to drop off, I provide that service in the lower 48 states, subject to existing weather conditions and connecting loads. I can pick up anywhere, I can drop off anywhere, but you pay me for every mile I drive because I'm a business. Give me a call, 260-804-6695. This is Freighter Jim. Remember, as always, drive safe, arrive alive. Thanks for watching my video.